Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov Hation 0 and the Shirogorov Neon 0 here with me for a quick comparison review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what we have here, because these are two very popular options from Shirogorov. They are both in the smallest size you can get a Shirogorov, because for example you can get like a F3 size, or you can get like a 111 size. So these are the smallest you can get, and very similar. Base is almost the same. There's just a couple differences. So if you're indecisive about which one to get, Hation 0, Neon 0, this is the right video, because basically they have everything exactly the same. I mean, size is the same, blade shape is the same, the jimping is exactly the same, the back scale is just like the same, but you have just a carbon fiber inlay. In this case it's like blue on the Hation, but everything else it's gonna be exactly the same. Look at this, no differences. Back spacer absolutely identical, the clip it's the same. Of course you're gonna have some differences, which are like a presentation scale is gonna be in carbon fiber for the Hation 0, titanium for the Neon 0. Also, blade in the Neon doesn't have any logo. In the Hation you can see the bare logo. At the end you don't have a logo for the Hation, and you have it on the Neon. Also, another difference is going to be the internal skeletonization. So the Neon 0 up here has a skeletonized and milled out presentation scale and lock side. Whereas the Hation doesn't have any milling going on the presentation side on carbon fiber, and on the inside only has some very thin lines. You can see them here. It's not really like skeletonized or milled out. Maybe you can see also there. They're just lines that are kind of matching the lines you see there. Maybe like this angle. You see the size, the shape is the same, but in the Neon they actually milled out some material to reduce the weight, and in the Hation they didn't. But surprisingly, the Neon 0 is 2.9 ounces, and this guy, Hation 0, is 2.5 ounces. And you can feel it in the hand, like absolutely. You can feel it. Also, price is going to be the same. The screws are the same. M390 is the steel employed for both blades. Of course, is the same. MRBS works for both. And I mean, very, very small details, which are, of course, in the scales and just a little bit aesthetical difference, but very, very similar in price, in shape, in look, in function, in feel, in sound. Also, they have the same sound, because this is the Neon 0 and this is the Hation 0. So really, really similar sound, same ergo, so you can't really go wrong with any of these guys. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.